Croeso nôl. Heddiw bydden ni'n edrych ar un o'r rheolau treiglo. So, here, if you don't remember it, is the table of mutation. I want you to focus on the column that has nasal mutation first, treiglo trwynol, and we're just going to look at how you say my something. So, for example, if we want to use cath, you'll see that k becomes ng, the most complicated one. And so for my cat, you would say fy nghath. We might also say fy nghath-i, fy nghath-i. And you'll find that in literary or written Welsh, often we don't use the e at the end. We'd say fy nghath. But when people are speaking, they might say fy nghath-i. And you'll also hear nghath-i. So we're just getting rid of the basically, and saying nghath-i. This would happen down the table. So for T, so informal U, we'd use a soft mutation. So dy gath di, dy gath di. The same happens for his. So a gath o, or igathe if you're in the south, a gath. And for her cat, we go to the aspirate mutation, eichathi. For the others, there's no mutation, and so it goes eincathni or incathni. So the ein can become very short, incathni, eichcathchi, and eicathnu. And this final one would be pronounced in the north as icathno. So again, you'll notice that these A and A words are not really strongly pronounced. So that was with ka, just as a most difficult example. Let's just look at another one. What about brawd? So if we follow the rule, we'd have fy mrawd-i, dy frawd di, ei frawd o, ei brawd hi, because there's no aspirate available for b, and the same, ein brawd ni, eich brawd chi, ei brawd nhw. So then when you get a word that starts with a vowel, like enw, usually you don't have to worry about mutating it, but sometimes we pop in a little n at the end of v for these words, so we might say fy nenw-i. Instead of fy enw-i, a digwynedd, we might say fy nenw-i, a digwynedd. And this will happen quite a lot where the v might have n's or ngs attached to the end of it, so you might see people spelling it as fy nghath, so kind of doubling up on the ngs, even though you would not pronounce n twice. You'd say fy nghath. Okay, now finally you might be thinking, oh, but I've heard people just say brawd fi, cath fi, and you're right. Most of the time in informal spoken Welsh, we ignore this rule and we just say the word and then we add a pronoun at the end, which goes like this: cath fi, cath chdi, cath fo, cath hi, cath ni, cath chi, cath nhw. And so if you're chatting to people in North Wales, don't be surprised to hear be di enw chdi, or bag chdi ydi hwn, or brawd fo ydi o. Alright, so have fun with that. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you next time.